I'll be out there. What time it is now?
I don't know.
You want live too? God damn it.
1:55.
Yeah, I'll be out there like a couple hours. Be out there like around 4 o'clock.
Showing goddamn it to me. What's up, y'all? He live as well. I'm live as well.
We in this bitch.
Shut up. In this bitch.
We in this bitch.
I feel like listening to some rap.
Need my haircut. I'm gonna get my haircut probably next week. I don't know.
All right.
But I'll probably wait like the beginning of next month to get my haircut because I've got big wrestling event going on, so I'm getting that haircut.
All right. So anyway, before I start this and all that, I'm here chilling by Randy TV house. You know. Anything you want to say, brother?
We in this bitch.
Okay. Oh, so that's all you gotta say.
Yeah.
All right. Well, hopefully I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Anybody on here now about this? Keep it on here. Hit that boy. See what time you going out there for.
Who, Frank and them?
Nah. Keep this.
Oh, you gonna keep it? All right. I'm gonna keep mine. Too bad Bianca won't be watching. You know, I haven't spoken to her in months. I don't know why she been acting funny with me though. You know.
I'll probably go back on live when I'm out on Vern, probably.
Oh yeah, by the way, you heard about Rick Ross, bro?
Yeah, he in the hospital.
Yeah, let's hope and pray that Rick Ross get out alive. You know.
He'll be alright, bro.
Okay. Cause it was saying he on life support.
Yeah, that's what I heard too.
Wow, now that's serious, man.
At first you said you wasn't going out there. Now you're going out there.
Who said that?
You know.
Never mind.
Oh no, wait, what the fuck?
I don't know what now.
Oh, last Friday I said.
Unless I upload this video to YouTube, now they're gonna know I mentioned her.
What time you out there for? What time?
Oh well, I better stop this tape though.